Hi guys, back with another episode of Anything But ASIC. We're still going through the Linux Plus practice test here, and we're just going to start where we left off. Number 16. Question 16. Which of the following commands initializes a physical disk partition for use with LVM? A. LVM dot create. B. PV create. C. FV create. Or D. LVINIT. Answer B. PV create initializes a physical partition as a logical volume. Question 17. Which of the following commands installs grub into the MBR of the second SATA disk? A. Grub to dash install / dev / HDB 2. B. Grub to dash install / dev / SDA 2. C. Grub to dash config / dev / SDA. D. Grub to dash install / dev / SDB. Answer D. Grub to dash install to the second SATA disk / dev / SDB. Question 18. Which command is used to create a logical volume with LVM? A. PV create. B. LVM create. C. LV create. D. vol create. Answer C. LV create is used to create logical volumes with LVM. Question 19. What is the logical order for creation of an LVM logical volume? A. Physical volume creation, volume group creation, logical volume creation. B. Physical volume creation, logical volume creation, volume group creation. C. Logical volume creation, physical volume creation, volume group creation. D. LVM creation, format, partition. Answer A. Physical volume, volume group, then logical volume. Question 20. Which command should be run after making a change to the /etc / default / grub file? A. Grub. B. Grub -mk config. C. Grub -inst. D. Reboot. Answer B. Grub -mk config, so that the new configuration file can be created with new options. Question 21. Which command is used to search for physical volumes for use with LVM? A. LV create. B. PV create. C. LVM disk scan. D. LV scan. Answer C. LVM disk scan. Question 22. A hard drive is reported as HD 0, 0 by the grub legacy configuration file. To which of the following disk and partition does this correspond? A /dev /HDB2, B /dev /SHDA0, C /dev /disk1, D /dev /SDA1. Answer D. Grub legacy begins counting at 0 and separates the disk later and partition with a comma, therefore making 0, 0 the first partition on the first disk. Question 23. Which of the following commands installs grub into the master boot record MBR of the first SATA drive? A. grub-install /dev /HDA. B. grub-install /dev /SDA. C. grub-install /dev HD 0, 0. D. grub-I /dev HDA. Answer B. grub-install /dev SDA. Question 24. When running FSCK on an ext3 file system, the process is taking longer than expected and requiring input from the administrator to fix issues. What option could be added to FSCK next time so that command will automatically attempt to fix errors without intervention? A -O, B -V, C -Y, D -F. Answer C -Y. After inserting a new hard drive into the Linux system, what is the correct order to make the drive ready for use within Linux? A. Use f.disk to create partitions and then mount the partitions. B. Mount the partitions. C. Use fdisk to create partitions and mount -A to mount all the newly created partitions. D. Use fdisk to create partitions, then format the partitions using a command such as mkfs and then mount the partitions. Answer D. Create partitions, format partitions, then mount partitions. MKFS can create various file systems such as ext3 and XFS. If you are using a storage, question 26, if you are using a storage area network, SAN, that keeps causing errors on your Linux system due to an improper kernel module created by the SAN vendor, when the SAN sends updates, it causes the file system to be mounted as read-only. Which command and option can you use to change the behavior of the file system to account for the SAN bug? A. Mount -configure. B. tune to .fs -e continue. C, mkfs -no remount. D, mount -o remount. Answer B, tune to fs -e continue. Question 27. Which of the following describes a primary difference between ext2 and ext3 file systems? A, ext3 was primarily a bug fix update to ext2. B, ext3 includes journaling for the file systems. C, ext3 completely changes the tools needed for management of the disk. D, ext3 has no significant differences. Answer B, journaling increased reliability and performance. Question 28. According to the file system hierarchy standards FHS, what is the correct location for site-specific data for a server? A, /etc. B, /var. C, /tmp. D, /srv. Answer: the /srvr hierarchy is used for data for server programs. Question 29. Which option to mount command will mount all file systems that are currently available in /etc/fs tab? A, -f. B, -d. C, -a. D, -m. Answer C, -a. Question 30. Which command and option are used to display the number of times a file system has been mounted? A, tune to fs -h. B, cat/etc/fs tab. C, mount -a. D, less etc/fsmnt. Answer A, tune to fs can display a verbose information about file system. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave it there, and that was 15 through 30, and I'll get back to this at a later time.